So, welcome back. We start with another question of factorization. Here, this time we are given 9x minus y whole square minus x plus 2y whole square. Every time we think of factorization, we must always start looking for easier ways, For example, we must first see how many terms are given in the polynomial. In this polynomial, how many terms are there? One term, two terms. So, if there are two terms in the polynomial, you check whether you can apply a square minus b square or not. Very simple. You first see if you can apply a square minus b square. If yes, straight away identify what is a, what is b, and just do a plus b, a minus b, and the factors will be with you. In this particular case, what do you see? 9x minus y whole square plus x plus 2y whole square. So these two are already whole squares. Remaining is 3. Remaining is 9, which we know is also a whole square. Hence, how do we write it? This is what it looks like, right? And as I said, now we have identified this is of the form a square minus b square, which is nothing but a plus b, a minus b, right? So if I just use this formula and apply it here, what do I get? This is my a, this is my b. So all I have to do is write it in this form. A plus b and a minus b. Okay? Please ensure that you are putting the brackets and the signs always correctly. Any kind of sign or bracket not put correctly will make you do wrong calculations. And in this kind of questions, it is very hard to revise. If you go wrong in one step, it will be very difficult to come back and see where do you go wrong. So better focus while you're doing and just make sure you're doing it correctly. For example, what we are doing here is 3, this is a, this whole thing is a, 3x minus y whole is a, x plus 2y is b. So what we need to do is, this whole is a plus this whole is b. You see, I have not put any bracket here because in this case it is a plus sign, and in plus sign nothing changes. So there is no point using a bracket here. In the next term I have to write a minus b. So what is a minus b? Again, a is this whole, 3 into x minus a is a minus, now see, in this point I have put a bracket. I have put b, this whole b in bracket. Why? Because here what happens is, sorry, this has to be this, x plus 2y, sorry. So why do I put this in bracket? Because there is a minus sign here. A, whenever it is a minus b and something has to be written, it is not a single term. This itself is consisting of two terms. So in such case you must write it in bracket because there is a minus sign here, because we will be opening the bracket. As we open the bracket, the signs will change. The sign of 2y will change. All this is basic algebra that you must have done last year. So this is what we get here. I now open it. 3x, just expand it. 3x minus 3y plus x plus 2y. Again, I'll be expanding it here. 3x minus 3y minus x minus 2y. See how I open it? Minus x minus 2y. So, simple calculation, 3x plus 4x, all the like terms go here, becomes 4x minus 3y plus 2y will be minus y. And what do we have here? 3x minus x, which is 2x. And minus 3y minus 2y becomes minus 5y. These are my factors for this given polynomial. Okay? Quick review. 9x minus y whole square minus x plus 2y whole square. So just by observation we know I can apply a square minus b square because that comes out as a plus b, a minus b. So I just need to identify what a and b is. That's what I did here. And then I applied it, a plus b, making sure that I use the correct bracket and the correct sign wherever required. Then all I need is just solving it and you get the factors.